Good day and welcome to Education News Updates on Crystal Education TV. Today, Monday, 11th of November 2024, and we're bringing you the latest in education from the Excel Universal School Press desk here at Bazago Extension in Kubwa, Abuja, Nigeria. Stay tuned as we dive into today's top stories, highlighting key events, updates, and insights from the world of education. My name is Jeffrey Abanwood, and with me here is
Michelle Megis.
Excel Universal School sets to empower students with new robotic classes. Excel Universal School took a major step forward toward preparing students for a tech world by introducing robotic classes this term. The robotics classes generally offer young learners the opportunity to explore coding, mechanics, and problem solving while engaging them in building and programming robots. This program has the potential to prepare students for a tech-focused future, helping them build confidence as they take on challenges and expand their horizons.
Excel Universal partners Crystal Education Media for Press Club training. Excel Universal has also teamed up with Crystal Education Media to manage its press club, providing students with foundational skills in media and public speaking. Since the beginning of the term, students have been trained in confidence building and the principles of effective presentation. The press club members will this Friday hold their club debates presentation finals, marking the culmination of their training this term on debating. Additionally, the school is today flagging off the Students' News presentation, which will be published on Crystal Education Media's platform. This initiative gives students practical experience in news reporting and an opportunity to showcase their skills to a broader audience. It is open to interested schools for participation.
NECO examiners threaten nationwide protests over unpaid allowances. Examiners hired by the National Examiners Council, NECO, to grade the 2024 student examination papers have issued a 2-week ultimatum to the council, demanding immediate payment of an outstanding allowances or risk a nationwide protest. This comes amid rising frustration among examiners who completed their marking assignments over 3 months ago but have yet to receive their wages. Reports indicate that examiners have begun mobilizing colleagues across various states to prepare for a potential protest if NECO fails to resolve the payment issue.
Abuja Enterprise Agency expands financial literacy campaign to Buhari and Dutse markets. The Abuja Enterprise Agency (AEA) has expanded its financial literacy inclusion awareness campaign, reaching Buhari and Dutse markets in the Buhari Area Council of the Federal Capital Territory. Previously, the initiative was taken to the Wuse and Nyanya markets, engaging small business owners in financial education. At a town hall meeting in Buhari, participants received insights on tax compliances, budgeting, saving, risk management, and protection against financial fraud. Buhari Council Chairman John Baya, represented by Acting Director of Administration, Mr. Issa Musa Yerima, praised the efforts, noting that financial education is essential for rural entrepreneurs who often face business failures due to limited knowledge. Peter Obi donates 60 million naira to educational institutions in Anambra State. Former Anambra Governor and 2023 Labour Party presidential candidate Peter Obi has donated 60 million naira to support education in Anambra State. He allocated 50 million to Peter University, Achina/One, and 10 million naira to the College of Nursing Sciences in Adazi, Nuku. This gesture reaffirms Obi's dedication to strengthening education as a foundation for national development.
That is all the news update. For more details, visit us on www.crystaledunews.com.ng. Those on all our social media handle on YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, and X at Crystal Edu News. Thank you.